Time to water my plants.
Huh?
Oh no, the corn is all ruined. What are you doing? Stop dumping trash into the river.
Everyone does it. Help me, help.
Huh?
My boat is stuck in the trash.
The river is flooded with garbage. What should I do now?
How to build the waste removal machine. Build the spiral lifts. Build the conveyor belt. Connect components. Add the motor.
Let's clean up all the trash.
The garbage truck is here.
Hooray, the river is saved.
So delicious.
My stomach hurts.
Something's wrong with the food. I need an ambulance. I must investigate this case. Backyard of the police station.
The water supply was poisoned just as planned. This damn garbage crane. I need to destroy it quickly.
What happened?
Your garbage crane is too old, officer.
Then go make a new garbage cleaner now.
I'll do it right away, officer.
How to build the river cleaner robot. Build the garbage truck. Add the grid plate. Add the bucket. Add the motor. Build the moving parts. Add the engines. Add the battery box. Add the support bars. Connect them. Testing. Moving forward and backward. Moving down and up. Tilting backward.
Now I'll replace this garbage crane with my river cleaning robot. River cleaner robot is ready. Let's see how it cleans up the trash. It's done, sir.
There's still more trash over there.
I'll handle it now. I completed the task.
Well done.
Alert! Prisoner escaped.
Oh no.
Hurry up, you two idiots.
We're free.
Stop right there, you criminals.
Oh no!
Driving Lego cars on sand. Will all the cars can overcome this formidable challenge? Watch the entire video to discover the surprise. Now, let's get started.
Are you ready?
Number 1, rolling car.
Can't move.
Number 2, sail car.
Come on.
Number 3, unwheel car.
Good job.
Number 4, race car.
Impossible.
Number 5, climbing car. Congratulations. Number 6, transporting car.
Fighting.
Number 7, big wheeled car.
Easy game.
Number 8, basic car.
Come on. Come on.
Number 9, tall wheeled car.
Bad car.
Number 10, normal car.
Great.
The race just finished. 5 cars did not pass the challenge, including cars that were predicted to reach the top 1. And here is the top 5 best performance cars. Congratulations! Do you have a Lego cars? What kind of content you'd like us to test in the next video? Let vote in the comments below. Welcome to one of the craziest car events in the world. Today, we have a tug-of-war series featuring the Lego cars. Whether which car will win. Round 1. Rolling car versus tall wheeled car.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. The winner is rolling car. Round 2. Big wheeled car versus unwheeled car.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. The winner is big wheeled car. Round 3. Sail car versus race car.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. The winner is race car. Round 4. Basic car versus climbing car.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
The winner is climbing car. It may be a foregone conclusion. What happens in the first tug of war? But what will happen when we test on new terrain? There's only one way to find out. Let's tug.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. The winner is big wheeled car. Round 2.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Give it your best shot.
The winner is race car.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. This is a tug-of-war contest between two cars. Whoever loses will fly into the deep abyss. Also, the loser car can fall into the swimming pool. Who will win? Let's find out.
Come on, you can do it!
Today, Ultimate Tug-of-War brings you 5 tough competitors. 2 slopes, 3 terrains. Who'll be the champion? Round 1, Sawdust Slopes. Garbage Truck. Racing Car. Formula Car. 1 against 2. Who will win? Fight. These cars are taking the lead.
Oh no, I'm gonna lose.
Garbage Truck is struggling to fight.
We're gonna win, buddy.
Garbage Truck turned the tables.
No way. Help me.
No hope for Racing Car and Formula Car. The winner is Garbage Truck. How is round 1 set up? Sawdust. Shredder Machine. Jelly. Round 2, Slime Slopes. It's Bulldozer.
The champion is here.
Fight. Garbage Truck, keep going. Bulldozer, you got this.
It's too slippery.
Garbage Truck is heading for victory.
More power.
Both are in a fierce struggle.
I'm about to fall.
Bulldozer failed.
It can't be. I'm so awesome.
Garbage Truck wins again. Let's build the conveyor belt. Add the motors. Add the belts. Round 3, conveyor belts. Next competitor, Monster Truck. Fight. Monster Truck looks very formidable. Not easy at all. Conveyor belts are holding both cars back.
I have an idea.
What's that? The hook is pulling Monster Truck forward.
He's cheating.
No cheating allowed. So, we have no champion today.